In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Whop store. Start by signing into your Whop account. From the dashboard, click Create a Whop to begin setting up your store. Next, enter a name for your Whop, choose a category that best fits your business, and upload a logo and banner image if you'd like. After that, add a description explaining what you're selling and who your product or community is for. Now click Add App and choose the apps or features you want to include, such as courses, digital downloads, Discord, chat, files, or other available apps. Next, create your first product or membership. Set the price, choose whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, and configure any additional access settings. After that, go to Payments or Payouts and connect your Stripe account so you can receive payments from customers. Now review your storefront, customize its appearance, and make sure all of your products, pricing, and access settings are correct. Finally, click Publish to make your Whop store live, then copy your store link and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Whop store. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.